Hello everyone, welcome back to Lola Emmanuel TV. I want to appreciate all my subscribers, both new and old. Thank you so much for your amazing support all the time. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for always coming back to support me each time I upload new video. Thank you so much. So in today's video, guys, I will be showing you this weight loss salad recipe. I got this recipe from a lovely and amazing sister on YouTube. Her channel name is Risa sTips. As you can see it on the screen. I came across this recipe 2 weeks ago on her channel, and ever since then I have been taking this for the past 2 weeks now, and I have seen the results. This is very effective. This really amazed me. I have lost a lot of weight right now as I'm talking to you. Please check our channel out if you are looking for healthy recipe, you are looking for a weight loss juice salad tips. Please check our channel out. I will be leaving the original version of this video in the description box. Please check it out, visit our channel, subscribe to her. You are going to benefit a lot from our channel. Okay, so these are my ingredients here to make this salad. I have my lettuce, I have cucumber, I have tomatoes, onion, avocado, I have oil, lemon, salt, and black pepper for the dressing. So the first thing I will do now is to cut the lettuce. Lettuce is a rich source of vitamins K and A. It possesses numerous impressive health benefits. It also helps you to control your weight, as well promoting brain health. It has a lot of health benefits. If you want to know more about this vegetable, please go to our channel. She explains a lot of health benefits of this lettuce. Please check our channel out to know what I'm talking about. So I will go ahead and slice this lettuce as I prefer to have it. You can cut this according to your desired size. Okay, this is how I prefer to cut mine. So once I finish cutting this lettuce, I will transfer this into my bowl. You can use any lettuce of your choice, but this is the one that I'm using. I can't remember the name, but when you get to store, you will definitely see something like this there, about 3 different of lettuce. Okay, so the next ingredient is cucumber. I'm using English cucumber. That's where I heard about English cucumber. I've not heard about that before. I thought cucumber is cucumber. So she said this is English cucumber, is different from regular one because it's kind of longer than the regular one, like the one we see in Africa. So this is English cucumber. I will go ahead and cut my cucumber. It contains a lot of health benefits. It helps you to lower blood sugar. It also helps to promote hydration. It contains a lot of health benefits. Okay, if you are not sure about it, you can go online, go to the internet and search for the health benefits of this. If you are not sure about what I'm saying, please consult your medical practitioner about this. The next ingredient is onion. She used red onion, but I don't have that at home, so I'm using this particular one, which is white one. Onion is also loaded with many health benefits. It also helps you to control your blood sugar. It also helps you to boost bone density. It have antibacterial properties and also help you to boost digestive health. So onion is very very good for our health. I have my avocado here, and I will go ahead and peel and take out the skin of the avocado. Avocado are very very high in fiber and very low in carbs, so it contains a lot of health benefit as well. It helps you to promote weight loss as well. Many health benefits. I love avocado a lot. It's one of my favorites. I don't know whether it's a fruit. Yeah, avocado is a fruit, one of my favorite fruits. I love it so much. I love to use this to take bread. Yeah, I love to match this together sometime and spread it on my bread instead of using butter or mayonnaise. I have my tomatoes here. I'm using these little tomatoes. I don't have the big one. She used the big one, so I will be using this particular one. I finished cutting all my vegetables and fruits, so I have 5 liters of water in my bowl here, and I will go ahead and add baking soda into the water and mix it together very well. If you have vinegar at some place, use it to wash your vegetables or your fruits. So you use vinegar. I don't have it, so I prefer to use what I have, what is available for me. I'm using baking soda to help me to wash out all any bacteria from the fruits and the vegetable. Yeah. So I will go ahead and add the water to the cut vegetables in the bowl, and I will allow this to soak for 10 minutes before I will take it out of the water. Make sure you wash your vegetable very well. All these vegetables, they are very exposed, so and they are leaf, so sometimes many insects might have entered this, or many bacteria might have entered this, so you need to wash your fruits very well and vegetable. So I will leave this for 10 minutes. While waiting for that, I will go ahead by preparing the salad dressing. Normally, each time I prepare salad, I normally use either salad cream or mayonnaise. So I also learned this from her. I will be using lemon juice. Lemon is very very good for our health, especially when it comes to weight loss. It has a vitamin C, contains vitamin C and minerals, so it's very good. And I will be using 1 medium size of lemon juice. I've squeezed the juice out, and I will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt. I will add half teaspoon of black pepper, and I will mix this together. I don't have a cream bottle, so I will be using one of my little container in the kitchen to mix this very well. So 10 minutes later, it is time for me to take out the vegetable from the water. I'll be using my strainer to remove these vegetables from the water. Here is my lettuce. So I will set this aside to ensure that all the water is completely out of the lettuce. And the next one is my cucumber. Trust me, when I soak this into water, this did not change the color, this did not change the taste of the vegetable. So the taste and the flavor is still there, I'm telling you. The last one is the onion and tomato. I will still go ahead and cut this tomato into two, which is kind of a little bit big for my liking, so I will cut it into two. The reason why I did not cut this earlier before soaking it into water was because it's small. So all my vegetables and fruit is out of water completely, and I will go ahead by mixing this together. The lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, avocado. I will combine this together, then I will sprinkle the salad dressing on this, and I will mix it together. Once I finish mixing this together, it is ready to eat. I'll be taking this for 3 days for my lunch. This is very nice. I hope you give this a try. Please try this out and let me know in the comment section what you feel about this recipe and what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a lovely thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.